Hello, dear friends. How are you all? I hope you all guys will be good, and I am also good right now. As you can see, I'm doing great. And my friends, if you are new here, so you're welcome here. And if you are watching this video first time, so please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that my all upcoming new videos notification you all getting. Okay, so guys, in this video, we are gonna talk to about of mind goes blank. Why your mind goes blank when you want to speak English with anyone? Why? Why these issues are happening with all people? Who people want to speak English language? Who people want to speak English fluently with anyone? Then why is its issues are happening with all people? So if you have issues like why your mind goes blank when you wanna speak English with anyone, so watch this video till the end. And your all doubts, your all issues and the problem will be clear in this video. Okay, so yes, let's get started our video. So why these issues are happening with our people, who people wanna speak English language with anyone and with confidently, with fluency and with effortlessly, then why they can't speak English language fluently when they want to speak English, and why their minds goes blank for that time. So listen, my dear friends, try to think yourself. Why? Why these issues are happening with anyone? So this is because if you don't have more vocabulary words, try to think yourself, guys. If you don't have more vocabulary words, then how? How you can speak English language better and fluently? And guys, so learn vocabulary words and simultaneously speaking practice. Okay, the main role is practice. If you don't practice more and more, then all thing is waste, right? So all thing is waste because the main thing is practice. If you do practice every day, then all things your all practice will be clear, and or your all doubts will be clear, and you will be eligible for speaking English fluently and effortlessly and confidently as well. Okay, and everyone has this problem, but yes, if you wanna speak English language fluently, you can speak. I would say you can speak also. You can also speak. Okay, just you have to practice every day. Practice the main perfect, and practice is a main role for learning English language. You will have to practice every day. Okay, and if your mind goes blank while learning English language and you don't understand and what any words not comes in your mind, and you don't understand that what sentences I should speak in English. So this is because you don't have more vocabulary words. Okay, because if you don't have more so my dear friends, learn vocabulary words as well as and practice speaking practice every day. Okay, whatever comes in your mind, just speak about of fruits, about of vegetable, about of your home, about of your family, about if you belong to a village area, then if, about of you are farming. Like this you can practice English. Okay, so there are so many things available at your home. You can practice, you can think about this, you can think about that, you can speak, you can practice with them. Okay, and guys, second thing I would say, like, if you can speak your mother tongue, your regional language, whatever your regional language, you can speak, right? You can speak. So like this, English is also, English is a language, so you can speak English language as well. Just you will have to practice more and more practice, because whatever your regional language you can speak, because you have been learning for your childhood. From your childhood you have been learning, say, and it we couldn't say like you have been learning your mother tongue, your regional language for 6 months, for 1 years, 2 years, for 3 years, 5 years. No, never, because you have been learning your regional language from your childhood. Childhood, okay? Or that's why you can speak your regional language very easily, right? So if you wanna learn any new language, so I would say you can learn, but for this you will have to practice, because if you don't practice more and more, then everything is waste. Try to understand. So if you wanna learn in a new language, then you will have to practice every day. Then you can learn, then you can speak with fluency, with confidently and effortlessly. Okay. If we talk about English, then for English as well. And if we talk about other new language, then for other language as well. You will have to practice. Okay. Yes. Guys, all things can happen. Just you have to practice. Okay, you can approach all things, just you should have to passionate for that things. If you will have passion for learning English language, then definitely 100% believe me, you can learn, you can speak. So try to practice every day, every single day practice. After some days, you can see yourself that how much before, from then and now. So practice is a main role for learning English language. And none of us are supernatural. We are simple. We all are simple. And if you are a beginner, and if you are in starting journey for learning English language, so pick some simple words and speak with simple words. It's not necessary that initially you have to learn with fancy words. Don't use fancy words, no. From the beginning day you speak English, you start your English journey, learning English journey from the simple words, not fancy. Guys, in order to you can approach all things. Okay, in the end of the video, just I would say, don't take any pressure on your head. Just start your English from their simple words, and every day, every single day is speaking practice. And if you don't have any partner for speaking practice, so you can practice in front of mirror, right? Yes, you can practice in front of mirror easily, and you can record yourself in your mobile phone, and you can listen them, and wherever you did any mistake, then you can improve your mistakes. And don't fear mistake is a part of learning. So do mistake and learn from the doing mistakes. Okay, so in order to you can learn all things, you can speak English. So don't fear anything, just learn from today and start from today, and gradually you will be able to speak English language fluently, effortlessly, and confidently. Guys, in this video I wanted to share with you, if your mind goes blank, so don't take any pressure. Mind goes blank, it's normal, because initially when we want to learn something new, then it's a normal. But yes, you can improve these things. Okay, so start from today, learning English journey, your learning English journey all. And you don't think at all like, perhaps I could not speak English language, I would not speak English language with anyone with confidently, with fluency. Okay, not at all. Just think positive. If you think positive, then all things will be positive. If you think negative, then all things will be negative. And if you started think like negative, then probably learning English language you can quit, you can stop. So don't think negative. As you think, as all things will be happen. Okay, think yourself that English is a play for me and learn English language with happily. Okay, so guys, our video is in here now, and with happily learn English language and keep growing together and keep learning English language together. And I would say, if you didn't subscribe this channel, so please subscribe this channel and share with your friends and in your relative. So yes, we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.